This is Deep Learning with PyTorch. With the way we are progressing in real-world applications, I can say the time is now for you to learn the deep learning to stay relevant for the coming future and be a part of community that will drive the future. And yes, with this course, you will begin your journey towards the deep learning by learning one of the amazing deep learning framework out there, that is PyTorch, which is actually a go-to tool for deep learning practitioner for creating the model prototypes and performing the research. And here, we designed this course for machine learning enthusiasts who wants to understand the deep learning frameworks and take full advantage of GPUs for computation. So guys, by the end of this course, you will be able to write your own deep learning model from scratch in Torch library and have a practical understanding of convolutional neural networks which are widely used for the computer vision applications. Here, we will be adopting a step-by-step approach which we think is the best for every learner. So here, we start by understanding the basics of tensors and then move into understanding of working with GPU for speeding up the code execution. And after that, we will see how to make use of the autograph feature in PyTorch. And finally, using all these learnings of PyTorch, we will then implement a computer vision application using convolution neural network with LeNet architecture on a CIFAR-10 dataset which has 60,000 images in the dataset. So, with a combination of quality tutorial combined with a hands-on exercise, you will gain the confidence to make use of the PyTorch deep learning framework for your projects as well as for your research purposes. An ideal student. Yes, an ideal student is a software developer who wants to gain insight on deep learning framework PyTorch, or a machine learning practitioner or a data scientist who wants to add a skill set of Torch library for their stack. So guys, this course is created with an assumption that the learner is having the basic understanding of machine learning with Python programming language. So, feel free to look through the description and we look forward to see you inside.